I'm Mike Holtzman. I'm a professor at Washington University in St. Louis. This meeting is aimed at asthma as a focus area, and particularly at the issue of trying to bring new discoveries into better therapeutics. The speakers represent the ultra-elite, if you will, in the various areas of immunology, cell biology, virology. Certainly asthma is the paradigm, but I think most of the action in these areas extends beyond asthma per se and into the general area of airway diseases, and even beyond that into inflammatory diseases. The push was really to get high-level science and high-level drug discovery in the same room at the same time, and really push people to think about how you can correct the disease and not just, treat the disease. There's the thought now that not just immune cells, but also stromal cells, particularly airway epithelial cells, are part of the disease process. Changes in the immune system, the immune cell system per se, particularly the innate immune system, has come forward as an unexpected long-term participant. The field of single cell analysis, I think, I'm trying to bring that front and center. I think still we have several people on the program, both on the immune cell side and the stromal cell side, who will present that type of data. And I know it's taught us some things that we didn't fully predict. I'd encourage scientists that go beyond asthma, people just interested in the immune system or inflammation or inflammatory disease or stem cell biology, to think of this as a meeting that will benefit them even if they are not in the asthma field. My experience organizing this meeting has really been, first of all, an outstanding experience. And first, that the level of science is quite high. So it gives me an opportunity to bring what my sort of parochial thinking about the respiratory field into a very high plane of scientific endeavor. The interface between science and industry, or maybe science and practical application, is front and center in the Keystone Symposia. That's not always the case in respiratory meetings, and I think that's a unique aspect of the Keystone environment that I've tried to carry over into what's a relatively specialized topic. The level of interaction in a relatively smaller meeting, the setting, and having this high level of mentor-mentee relationship is unusual, I think, among all types of scientific meetings and clinical meetings, for sure. The things that you present there, or questions that you ask there, or feedback that you give there, have to be fairly considered and insightful and challenging. You don't get away with a lot in those kinds of settings, and I think that environment really stimulates you to be a better scientist. Discoveries get turned into something that means something for somebody.